In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete items from your Amazon cart on mobile in this comprehensive 2025 full guide. Whether you're making room for new items or simply removing something you no longer need, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, ensuring a seamless shopping experience every time. So, grab your mobile device and let's dive right in. To get started, open your Amazon mobile app. This app is the go-to source for all your shopping needs right at your fingertips, anytime and anywhere. If you aren't already logged in, make sure to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you're ready to head over to your cart. Next, you'll want to locate the cart icon. It's usually found at the top right corner of the app's interface, symbolizing a small shopping cart. Give it a gentle tap and you'll be directed to a screen displaying all the items you currently have queued up for purchase. Here, you'll find everything you previously added, making it simple to review your choices at a glance. Now, with your cart open, browse through the list of items you've accumulated. When you locate the item you wish to remove, it's just a matter of tapping on that specific item. This will expand its details a bit, making the options related to that item more accessible and visible to you. This straightforward interaction is designed to prevent accidental deletions while allowing quick edits when you need them. After you've tapped the item you intend to delete, keep an eye out for the delete option. You'll see that this feature makes it extremely convenient to manage your cart items, with a single tap removing the unwanted product from your list completely. Alternatively, if you prefer another method, you can simply swipe the item to the right, which is a quick and effective way to achieve the same result. This swiping action provides an intuitive and speedy option, especially handy when you're in a bit of a rush. And there you have it. Your item is now successfully removed from your Amazon cart, leaving space for something else you might be eyeing. Make sure to review your cart after this process to ensure it's exactly how you want it before proceeding to checkout. This easy process ensures that managing your Amazon purchases remains a streamlined and effortless task. Continue to make the most of your shopping experience with this handy tip. And remember, whenever you find an item that's no longer necessary, you now have the tools to handle it swiftly right from your mobile device. Thanks for joining me today, and happy shopping!